हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू नीट एग्जाम क्रैक। तो आज की जो वीडियो है बेटा, इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऑल एनसीईआरटी फुल फॉर्म्स इन जस्ट वन वीडियो। आपकी नीट बायोलॉजी की जो क्लास 11th की क्लास 12th की एनसीईआरटी है, उसमें जहां भी जिस भी चैप्टर में जो भी फुल फॉर्म्स हैं जो आपके नीट 2021 के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं, वो मैं इस वीडियो में आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी। ठीक है, और हम ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे, फटाफट से इन सारे फुल फॉर्म्स को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। सबसे पहला है IUCN, इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। नेक्स्ट इज ICBN, इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर बोटैनिकल नॉमेनक्लेचर। ICZN, इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर zoological nomenclature। BGA, blue green algae। CJD, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease। PEN stands for primary endosperm nucleus, its ploidy is 3N, triploid। PCT stands for proximal convoluted tubule। RBC for red blood cells। WBC, white blood cells। HCl stands for hydrochloric acid। PPLO stands for pleuropneumonia-like organisms। ER means endoplasmic reticulum। DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid। RNA for ribonucleic acid। SER stands for smooth endoplasmic reticulum and RER stands for rough endoplasmic reticulum। Next is ATP, adenosine triphosphate। DA stands for Dalton, unit है ये। Rubisco stands for ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase। NAM stands for N-acetyl muramic acid। NAG stands for N-acetyl glucosamine। ES complex means enzyme substrate complex। EP complex मतलब enzyme product complex। NAD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide। NADP stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate। I phase stands for interphase। M phase stands for mitosis phase। S phase stands for synthesis phase। DPD stands for diffusion pressure deficit। KOH is potassium hydroxide। NADPH stands for nicotine adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen। LHC stands for light harvesting complex। PS means photosystem। ETS or ETC means electron transport system or chain। PGA stands for 3-phosphoglyceric acid। OAA stands for oxaloacetic acid। PEP stands for phosphoenol pyruvate। PEPK stands for phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase। RUBP or RUDP means ribulose bisphosphate or diphosphate। ADP stands for adenosine diphosphate। EMP pathway stands for Gustav Embedon, Otto Meyerhof and J. Parnas pathway। It is also known as glycolysis। So EMP हम इसे बोलते हैं साइंटिस्ट के नेम्स के बेसिस पे। PGAL stands for phosphoglyceraldehyde। BPGA is 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate। COA is coenzyme A। TCA means tricarboxylic acid cycle and CTC means citric acid cycle. These are the alternate names for Krebs cycle। GTP is guanosine triphosphate। FAD/FADH is flavin adenine dinucleotide hydrogen। RQ stands for respiratory quotient and S curve means sigmoid curve। Next is IAA stands for indole-acetic acid। ABA stands for abscisic acid। PGR stands for plant growth regulators। GA stands for gibberellic acid। 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic। NAA stands for naphthalene acetic acid। SDP means short day plants। LDP long day plants। DNP day neutral plants। PEM means protein energy malnutrition। TV stands for tidal volume। IRV stands for inspiratory reserve volume। ERV stands for expiratory reserve volume। RV means residual volume। IC is inspiratory capacity। EC means expiratory capacity। FRC means functional residual capacity। VC stands for vital capacity। TLC means total lung capacity। SAN stands for sinoatrial node। AVN means atrioventricular node। AV bundle means atrioventricular bundles। ECG stands for electrocardiogram and CAD stands for coronary artery disease। DCT means distal convoluted tubule। GFR stands for glomerular filtration rate। JGA stands for gusta-glomerular apparatus। ADH means antidiuretic hormone। ANF means atrial natriuretic factor। HMM is heavy meromycin and LMM is light meromycin। CNS stands for central nervous system and PNS for peripheral nervous system। नेक्स्ट इज हॉर्मोन्स के सारे फुल फॉर्म्स हैं। GnRH इज गोनाडोट्रोफिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन। GH इज ग्रोथ हार्मोन। LH इज ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन। TSH स्टैंड फॉर थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन। ACTH मीन्स एड्रीनोकॉर्टिकोट्रोफिक हार्मोन। FSH स्टैंड फॉर फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन। PRL मीन्स प्रोलैक्टिन। TCT means thyrocalcitonin। PTH means parathyroid hormone। GIP means gastric inhibitory peptide। CCK is cholecystokinin। MMC stands for megaspore mother cell, यहाँ से 12 स्टार्ट हो गई है। PEC stands for primary endosperm cell। HPL means human placental lactogen। HCG means human chorionic gonadotrophin. WHO means World Health Organization. RCH means reproductive and child health care. STD means sexually transmitted disease. CDRI stands for Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. MMR means maternal mortality rate. IMR means infant mortality rate. IUDs intrauterine devices बोलते हैं इनको. MTP means medical termination of pregnancy. VD stands for venereal disease, which is also known as sexually transmitted disease. RTI means reproductive tract infections. AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Next is ART, assisted reproductive technologies. IVF stands for in vitro fertilization. ET stands for embryo transfer. ZIFT stands for zygote intrafallopian transfer. IUT stands for intrauterine transfer. GIFT, gift, stand for gamete intrafallopian transfer. ICSI stands for intracytoplasmic sperm injection. AI means artificial insemination. IUI stands for intrauterine insemination. NHC means non-histone chromosomal proteins. hnRNA means heterogeneous nuclear RNA. snRNA means small nuclear RNA. UTR stands for untranslated regions. HGP means human genome project. EST is expressed sequence tags. ये human genome project में ही दिया हुआ है. BAC stands for bacterial artificial chromosome. YAC stand for YAC means yeast artificial chromosome. And SNP means single nucleotide polymorphism. 128 पे देखिए VNTRs, variable number of tandem repeats. PMNL neutrophils means polymorphonuclear leukocytes. CMI stands for cell mediated immunity. MALT stand for mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. ELISA means enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. NACO means National AIDS Control Organization. 135 is MOET, multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. ICR stands for Indian Council of Agriculture Research. IARI means Indian Agricultural Research Institute. IRRI means International Rice Research Institute. It is situated in Philippines. SCP means single cell protein. LAB means lactic acid bacteria. STP means sewage treatment plant. BOD means biochemical oxygen demand. KVIC, Khadi and Village Industry Commission. BT means Bacillus thuringiensis. TI means tumor inducing plasmid. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. GMOs means genetically modified organisms. RNAi means RNA interference. ADA means adenosine deaminase. PKU stands for phenylketonuria, which is a genetic disorder. And GAAC means Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. ये biotech से है. This is from biotechnology chapter. Next देखिए CAM plant means Crasslucian acid metabolism plants. PAR stands for photosynthetically active radiations. GPP means gross primary productivity. NPP means net primary productivity. GFC stands for grazing food chain. DFC stands for detritus food chain. CPCB means Central Pollution Control Board. CNG means compressed natural gas. DDT stands for dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. FOAM, foam means Friends of Arcta Marsh. ODS stands for ozone depleting substances. JFM means Joint Forest Management. And the last 164 is DU, that is Dobson Unit. सो ये कुछ फुल फॉर्म्स हैं आपके एनसीईआरटी से क्लास 11th और क्लास 12th की. इन फुल फॉर्म्स को आप ज़रूर अच्छे से पढ़ के जाइएगा. इस छोटी सी वीडियो को आप ज़रूर देखिए, ठीक है. इससे आपके पूरे चैप्टर्स की जितने भी फुल फॉर्म्स हैं सबकी रिवीजन इसी वीडियो के थ्रू हो जाएगी. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करिए. अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए इसे ताकि उनकी भी हेल्प हो पाए. तो फिर मिलते हैं किसी नई वीडियो में. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, पढ़ाई करते रहिए. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे ब्लेस्ड, स्टे हैप्पी.